Today is a very special day. It is Chinese New Year, and here we are right in the centre of Chinatown in London. It's the 10th of February today, and Chinese communities around the world are celebrating their New Year, and I thought it would be a fantastic opportunity to show you Chinatown and the beautiful traditions that are celebrated today. So Chinatown today has an incredible atmosphere. It's busy and people from all over London are visiting today, as it's a very special occasion to come and visit Chinatown. Now we are on Gerrard Street, which is right in the heart of Chinatown. And as you can see, it says Happy New Year. And I assume that's Cantonese, but it could be Mandarin, or maybe they are both written there. You'll have to let me know in the comments box below. So down here we have an abundance of restaurants, eateries, cafes, shops, and it's just a buzzing place. It's fantastic. And we can already see an incredible face of a mascot dragon, and this year is celebrating the dragon. How incredible is that? Now tomorrow, which is the 11th of February, they will celebrate with festivities, and people will be wearing these incredible dragon costumes. And you can see it's currently on top of a drum. So there will be all sorts to witness tomorrow, but today is the new year, so it's kicking off already. And look how the street is lined with these incredible lanterns. How astonishing is that? Just beautiful. And I'm sure at night it will look even more impressive. So we're lucky today because it is overcast and it has just rained, but it's stopped. So everyone is now out enjoying themselves without a crowd of umbrellas. But no matter what, I'm sure people will just embrace the day. And I have to say, it smells absolutely fantastic out here. You can smell all the kitchens preparing all the food for this celebratory time of Chinese New Year. And I'd like to wish everyone who is celebrating today a Happy New Year. Billions of people celebrating across China and communities living outside of China. Hence, today in London, an incredible Chinese community celebrating a wonderful tradition. I can hear the odd cracking of little firecrackers that we all know are a way to celebrate New Year. And it's super busy today. It's fantastic. We have dumplings legend. And lots of people queuing up for different restaurants, as today it's almost impossible to make a reservation. It's walk-ins only. So if you want to get yourself something like hoisin duck, you have to queue, which you can see there is a huge queue for some of these cafes. You cannot reserve. And I think that's quite nice. It's part of the atmosphere. You just turn up and wait your turn to enjoy some of the fantastic cuisine on offer. And I'm sure there's some special menus and traditional foods to enjoy. Now the atmosphere here is incredible. It really is busy, but it's also really calm. It's a nice atmosphere. We have some traditional dresses being worn by these ladies here. They look fantastic, remarkable, wonderful. Today, bringing in the new year, people will be removing the bad and the old and welcoming in the new and the good. And I think that's a lovely thing to be able to do. It's almost cleanse yourself and begin and bring in prosperity, progress and growth throughout the year. And as you can see, some people are wearing red, and that is the colour of luck. So whether that's red shoes, a red hat, a red scarf, wearing something red is supposed to bring you good luck for the year to come. Now today, or this year, is the year of the dragon, and in particular, apparently it's the wooden dragon. And there have been previous years that the year of the dragon has been celebrated. And if you were born on these years, apparently this year, you are supposed to have extra good fortune. And those years are, if you were born in 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, the year 2000, and the year 2012, those were the previous years of the dragon. So if you were born on those years, this year is your year. So I hope you're enjoying this video, everyone. Today is a different video, and if you're enjoying it, do make sure to leave a thumbs up, leave your comments below, wish one another a happy new year. It really is a time of celebration, of communities coming together, everybody outside enjoying themselves today here in London, in Chinatown. Look at these fantastic restaurants with hundreds and hundreds of people lining up, ready to eat a feast today on the 10th of February on Chinese New Year. As you can see, there's no cars down here, it's completely pedestrianised. And there are tens of thousands of people for sure here in central London, in Chinatown. And over the weekend there will be festivities, parades, and there's supposed to be hundreds of thousands that will celebrate over the weekend. And we have supermarkets, where I'm sure you can find the most interesting ingredients that aren't usually used in Western cuisine and can only be found in Chinatown, imported from China. Supermarkets filled with all sorts of interesting ingredients. And again, the smell out here is amazing. You can smell all sorts of foods being cooked. And I just want to say thank you for joining me today on this special video, bringing you around Chinatown on Chinese New Year. And do make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone that you would think would enjoy it today on Chinese New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon in an upcoming video.